it's me, Miss Foster, and today we are making an abstract work of art. Whoa. Some people sometimes look at abstract artwork and they think that's super easy to make, but really in creating it, sometimes abstract work can be really tricky to make. You're going to need to tap into your emotions, into your feelings today, and into your creativity as well. Today, we're going to be using lots of different art materials. If you have the same materials as me, great. If not, don't worry. Just make sure that you have a variety with you. Today, I'm going to be using charcoal, pencil, crayons, markers, and paints as well. So what you're going to notice in this video that's different from some others is that I am going to be putting a prompt on your screen in the video that says something like, for example, make a mark that is sleepy. And I want you to think about, what does a line or a mark that's sleepy look like on your paper? And then make it. You do not have to copy what I'm doing whatsoever, but you can use my demonstration as, a way to give you some ideas, or if you're feeling stuck and you want to take a look at what I did, that's fine too. At the end, I'm also going to prompt you to cut your paper and tape it back together. So if you have some scissors and maybe something to adhere together, so glue or tape, that would be great. And in the end, we are going to have a very beautiful, very creative, very emotive abstract work of art. So go ahead and grab all of your art supplies, a piece of paper, and let's get started. Hey everyone, it's me again, Miss Foster. I'm just here to remind you to hit the subscribe button if you like these videos and you want to see more. I also want to remind you that these videos are created in partnership with Painting Pandas, which is an awesome nonprofit organization here in Austin, Texas that provides free art instruction and free art supplies to any kid who needs them. If you would like to learn more, donate, or sign up for a live class with me, go ahead and click the link that's in the description below, www.paintingpandas.org. All right, I'll see you next time.